Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix Roblox error code 403. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. Check to see if your Roblox is not being powered by a PC first. If your computer has admin privileges, type %app data % into the Start menu search box and press Enter. Here, a new folder will appear. Locate the Roblox local files in this folder by going to App Data, Local. Continue deleting the full Roblox folder. Open the Network and Internet settings in Windows Settings. Verify that your VPN connection is disabled by clicking VPN. You can then go back to Roblox.com and access one of the experiences. There, you will have the option to download and reinstall Roblox, which will only take 10 minutes to complete. To access your firewall and network protection system settings, type Firewall into your Start search bar. On this window, click Change Settings. After selecting Allow an app via Firewall, close this window after looking up Roblox and making sure that both of these checkboxes are selected. Finally, be sure to use a dependable network connection in the event that this information does turn out to be helpful to you. You should restart your router or modem if you haven't yet. If you want to test the speed of your network connection using a speed testing website or app like Speed Test. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.